Maintaining your yard or garden is simple and easy with the right outdoor tool at hand. String trimmers, also known as a line trimmer or weed whacker, is a tool used in trimming grass and other plants. It can go beyond the tight areas where a lawnmower can't reach, offering everyone a great help in keeping their yard neat and clean. In the early 1970s, George Ballas of Houston, Texas created the string trimmer. His passion for lawn care urged him to develop a tool which he called Weed Eater. Now this outdoor tool can either be gas-powered, battery-powered, or electric-powered. These varying types of trimmers enable people to select which one is worth buying and suitable for their needs. In this review, our team has come up with a list to help you in your buying experience. Tune in as we introduce the top 5 string trimmers on the market. Let's begin. Taking our top spot is the RYOBI ONE+ 18-volt lithium-ion string trimmer edger and blower combo kit. Do you need a reliable string trimmer that can cut crisp lines near your fences, trees, edge beds, and even obliterate those weeds? Well, if you do, then a string trimmer edger and blower combo is a must-have. RYOBI's brand is known in the market for making pro-featured power tools and outdoor products that are truly affordable and a choice for millions of clientele. This RYOBI combo kit offers reliable performance, smooth comfort, cordless convenience, and compatibility with over 125 ONE+ tools for an unbeatable value all at the same time. It's a lightweight, convenient, and easy-to-use trimmer. It features 10 inches of cutting swath, auto-feed line head, and rotating shaft for simple transition between trimming and edging. The blower is just right for clearing hard surfaces and even includes a debris scraper for loosening stubborn dirt or leaves. What's more is the RYOBI ONE+ 18-volt lithium-ion string trimmer edger and blower combo kit has a 2.0 Ah battery and charger with a 3-year warranty. The included ONE+ 18-volt battery and charger are adaptable with all other RYOBI tools in the ONE+ family. There's never been a perfect time to start or add to your ONE+ collection. At number 2 is the Echo 21.2cc gas 2-stroke cycle curved shaft trimmer. Trimming are finishing touches of mowing and working in your yard that could never be made easier than with this weed trimmer. It has a 48-inch long curved shaft that allows you to easily maneuver while you're mowing your lawn, plus it's lightweight as it weighs just over 10 pounds. This gas weed trimmer provides a clean finish to your lawn. Echo Lawn Trimmer's extended shaft also helps you reach those hard-to-get places along hard surfaces, tight spaces, next to planting beds, and so on. Trimmers also leave some clippings on paths and driveways that you need to sweep up. This lawn trimmer uses gas power and offers similar features like the electric models. This gas weed trimmer's starter requires less pulling effort and it's easy to start. It has an I-30 starting system that reduces the effort by 30%. It features a 21.2cc professional grade and 2-stroke gas engine for outstanding performance. It has an ergonomic adjustable handle for a custom fit. It has a speed feed 400 cutting head reloads in seconds without disassembly, making it easy to give your lawn a more manicured look efficiently and quickly. All Echo yard trimmer engines are certified and guaranteed to give you the highest EPA engine durability rating. If you're looking for a gas trimmer that will let you do yard work without the risk of straining yourself, then the Echo 21.2cc gas 2-stroke cycled curved shaft trimmer is the best option for you. What did you think of the first 2 products we've shared? If you like them, stay with us as we still have 3 more trimmers to present. Trimming hedges and grasses makes our landscape look fresh and neat. It's not only appealing to the eye, but also beneficial for health, as doing yard work is great exercise. If you want to have the best trimmer, head on down to the description box and click the link where our special offers await. Let us know what you think about our review by writing your comments below. Also, make sure to click that small bell icon and tap the subscribe button as well to watch more of our informative videos. Now onto our list. At number 3 is from an American brand trusted since 1924, the DEWALT brushless string trimmer with bonus hedge trimmer, 5.0 AH battery and charger. Doing outdoor tasks such as trimming grasses and removing weeds has never been as easy as it is with DEWALT's power tools. This product is a powerful combination that helps in keeping a green and healthy yard. The brushless string trimmer is lightweight, compact, and easy to use. It measures 67 by 11 by 9 inches with a weight of 8.5 pounds. With this weight, you can easily maneuver the trimmer with less stress on your arms. It's also easier to maintain as it has no carburetor, spark plugs, or air filters. Its brushless motor is more durable, efficient, and high-powered, so it's less susceptible to mechanical wear. What's more about this string trimmer is its patented gear drive design that produces higher torque to cut tough, overgrown grass and vines. It provides 13 inches of cut swath with dual 0.080 inches of line. It comes with a variable trigger with high to low speed control that allows the operator to manage the runtime and control the power of the trimmer. It includes a 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, standard charger, and a quick-load spool with line pre-wound. The DEWALT brushless string trimmer with bonus hedge trimmer is absolutely the best combo for lawns, gardens, and yard maintenance. At number 4 is the Sunjoe GTS 4000E Lawn and Garden Multi-Tool Care System Trimmer. Using multiple tools while doing yard work is tedious and time-consuming. If shifting from one tool to another peeves you, then go for a multi-purpose string trimmer. This product is 4 tools in one that makes every green space fresh and neat without putting in too much effort. It's like having your own lawn crew in one box. The Sunjoe Multi-Tool Care System features 3 adjustable and interchangeable power heads for optimum mobility. It includes a 6-foot extension pole with power handle, plus string trimmer, hedge trimmer, and tiller attachments. The pole supplies up to 13 feet for overhead reach, making it possible to trim even the hardest to reach areas. These highly functional inclusions also allow the operator to switch tools in no time. This expandable garden tool system can be converted into a grass trimmer, garden tiller, or handheld hedge tiller, making it a versatile tool that's truly worth having and worth spending money on. You can turn this product from a 19-inch handheld trimmer to a pole hedge trimmer, or from a 12-inch string trimmer to a 6-inch tiller cultivator. The Sunjoe GTS 4000E Lawn and Garden Multi-Tool Care System Trimmer is a handheld electric-powered tool perfect for tilling the turf and trimming the grasses and hedges. It's ETL listed and backed up with a 2-year warranty. At number 5 is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Lithium-Ion Cordless Electric String Trimmer Kit with pole saw attachment. This product is made from an M18 Fuel power head and quick lock string trimmer attachment. These 2 revolutionary components make landscaping clear sailing and effortless. Its power head is compatible with several attachments like an edger, hedge trimmer, and pole saw. The easy load trimmer head enables the operator to load up to 25 feet of trimming line in less than 1 minute. With these attachments, pruning branches and trimming grasses as well as your hedges can be done by using just one tool. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel String Trimmer Kit boasts the Power State brushless motor that has a full throttle of up to 6,200 RPMs, with up to 14 to 16 inches of cutting swath. It's placed in the rear of the trimmer for exceptional performance, stability, and maneuverability. It works consistently and doesn't slow down even in demanding applications. This tool also has a variable speed trigger that delivers instant power when pressed. Engineered with RedLink Plus electronic intelligence, you can rest assured this trimmer is safe from overheating, overloading, and over-discharging. And unlike other trimmers with a flex shaft, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Trimmer Kit has a professional-grade drive shaft that provides consistent power under heavy loads. It's equipped with a commercial-quality gearbox that lessens weed buildup on the head, gearbox, and guard. This outdoor tool also has the longest runtime of up to an hour on a single battery charge. And there you have it, the top 5 string trimmers on the market today. We hoped our video helped you decide which trimmer kit is best for your yard. It's our pleasure to make your buying experience enjoyable and easier. With that, we've prepared a link in the description box that will help you catch these great deals at their best value. Make sure to click the link and the product you're eyeing with our special offer lasts. Your comments and suggestions matter to us, so don't forget to write them below. Also, tap the bell icon to stay updated on our latest happenings, and click the subscribe button for more product reviews. You also get to be part of our growing community by subscribing to our channel. That sums up our review for the best string trimmers. Thank you all for watching the ReviewTube channel.